lovely. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you some delicious and crispy fish tacos. I know you guys are going to love them. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These delicious Baja California fish tacos, these are the ingredients. I have parsley, black pepper, garlic powder, Himalaya salt, paprika, a beer, tortillas, all-purpose flour, and of course, the star, the tilapia fish. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious and amazing crispy tacos made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. These are the ingredients you're going to use for your beer batter. And you have that delicious recipe on my channel already. I have the tilapias here, and let me show you. Look at these. From every tilapia, I am going to obtain 4 little slices. Of course, I am using about 6 tilapias because we are 6 in this household, but you could use as much or as many as you would like. These Baja Fresh tacos come out amazing every time. You want to get 4 pieces from every fillet. This is a perfect size for a delicious taco. Look at this. I rinsed them out. I dried them really good so that the batter really sticks to these pieces. And they're not too thin or too thick, because if they are too thick, you run into a problem that the fish is not going to cook thoroughly. But if they are just like this, well, you know something, they are going to come out amazing. Well, here, let me finish doing the rest of the tilapias. This is the last one. And I'm just cutting just like this. It really doesn't take too long to make these delicious and amazing Baja Fresh tacos. Once you try them, you guys are really going to fall in love with these delicious tacos. Now they are completely done, and I am ready to start dipping them into the beer batter. Look at this. I have a paper towel right on the bottom to absorb the liquid that they might have, because I rinsed them really good. And they look amazing. This size is perfect for a taco. I have the batter here, and you have that delicious recipe on my channel. It's called beer batter for your fish tacos. I'm gonna dip it in there, and let me show you how thick this is. It's thick, but yet it's not too runny. It's not too overpowering thick. It's just the perfect texture, just like when you make pancakes. That's exactly how you want this batter. On the stove, I already have preheating vegetable oil so that I could start dipping in these delicious tilapias covered with this amazing beer batter. tortillas, of course. And here I have a pan on the bottom, so when they're nice and done, I just put them there so that the extra excessive oil falls to the bottom. How do you know when the oil is ready? Is when you put a piece of tortilla in there and it flows to the top. That means that the oil is ready for you to add your tilapia, nice and covered with the beer batter. Remember, if you add it when your oil is still room temperature or just a little bit hot, the batter is going to absorb all that excessive oil, and instead of coming out crispy, soft, it's gonna come out soggy. So just make sure that the oil is really hot. And like I said, you test it with a little piece of tortilla. You leave it in there. If it runs back, floats right to the top, that means that the oil is perfect. And it really doesn't take too long. When your fish is ready, it starts turning really nice golden brown color. That's when you know that it is time to remove them and add them here so that you remove the excessive oil. Remember, don't overcrowd your pan with this. Add 3 or 4, no more than that, because you want to make sure that the temperature of the oil doesn't drop, stays nice and hot. I have a pan here where I'm going to go ahead and start removing them and just letting them rest and making sure if there's any excessive oil, it falls to the bottom. But look, it really doesn't take too long to have them nice and crispy. My home already smells amazing, and I'm sure they are going to come out amazing. Well, let me get these out and let me continue making the rest, because my family is already telling me at what time are these Baja Fresh tacos going to be ready. Always be organized. Have everything ready so that it doesn't take too long to enjoy them. Nice and hot, nice and crispy. And of course, with your family. Remember, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. Okay, I am ready to start preparing these delicious and amazing Baja Fresh tacos. I have them nice and ready, nice and hot. I have my cabbage salad that, of course, you already have on my channel. It's called cabbage salad for delicious fish or shrimp tacos. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm going to start adding just a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add my tortillas on the top. I want the tortillas to be really soft and flexible. That's why I added just a little bit of oil. You don't want your tortilla to be rough. You want it to be nice and soft so that when you bite into this taco, you could really enjoy the crispiness of the fish. Look at this. And with the cabbage salad, amazing.
My friends, I can't take it. I need to take this delicious Baja California taco. Let's see how this comes out.
I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
I am completely done with this delicious fish taco. And of course, with the cabbage and all those juices, the serrano chili, lemon, cilantro, red onion. This just comes out amazing every time. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Excuse me. This came out delicious, amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home and enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.